I feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is your girl Adija. If you are new in this channel, I does content around my home. So this day I'm starting there, cleaning the living room as usual. You guys, I cannot do anything before I clean my living room, guys, because I usually see it like it is our norm at our home. My mom would say you clean the living room because you can get a visitor anytime. So I got that habit from my mom. Yeah, so for me I have to clean the living room because it's my norm. Let me call it my norm. So this vlog is starting here. If you are new to this channel, my name is Adija. I'm a mom of three, a Kenyan YouTuber based in Nairobi. I does content basically around my home, anything to do with homemaking. I think you are in the right place. So stick around till the end of this video and see what I did to this vlog. So for today, I'm starting with cleaning. So we are cleaning, doing laundry, lots of cooking, and you guys organizing this home. Yeah, that is my normal routine in this house. So I usually motivate mothers to clean their homes when they doesn't have a nanny. Yeah, this episode I doesn't have a nanny, you guys. I'm on off, I'm not going to job. So yeah, after making the seats, clean the tables, I'll sweep the carpets and make the house clean. Yeah, so the house is not that dirty because it's me, my hubby, and a toddler. Yeah, so today I just want to motivate you here for cleaning your homes. So guys, the living room is clean, so I just want to open the window so that we can have a fresh air over there. Yeah, so and later on I had laundry to wash, you guys. Today is on a Saturday. I want to do a general cleaning. I've been on and off. I will with my hubby doing some errands. So on Saturday this weekend I'm not going anywhere, so I decided to clean my hubby's clothes, my toddlers, and some mine. Yeah, and then I'm going to clean those weekly shoes that we have worn, me, hubby, and the baby. Yeah, so today is general cleaning of this home. Yeah, for returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting my content. For those who share me, may God bless you so much. And for new subscribers, thank you so much, you guys. If you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscription button and the notification button so that when I post a video you are notified on. That is on Tuesdays and Fridays at 12 p.m. Yeah, so that is in East African time. Yeah, so leave a positive comment, share me out, leave a positive comment and tell me what you think about this or making, you guys here. So today's that vlog is starting there, so no more talking, just see what I did.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm.
As I've said, today is on Saturday, so is my baby's day to ride a bicycle because Monday to Friday is at school, so he's riding, enjoying there. Yeah, so that is my baby.
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move.
Yeah, I'm done with cleaning the clothes. It's time to hang them, you guys. It's a challenge. It's not that easy. So I'm starting here. That is my backyard where I usually hang the clothes. So it has been windy and sunny. So I just want to wipe the hanging lines so that the clothes cannot get those dirty dust, you guys. So that is what I've been doing there. So guys, it's not easy for a mother without a nanny and running some errands, you guys. We have been running so many errands with my hubby, so I haven't get enough time to rest, but I thank God I doesn't have my pressure that I'm going job. So yeah, I thank God for this moment he has blessed us with. So it's time to hang. There is where I hang my clothes. Yeah, it's very sunny. You can see they by 3 they'll be have dried. Yeah, so you can see it was a big laundry of clothes, you guys. Yeah, and I did it alone. And before cleaning, I cleaned everything in the house, because I usually make cleaning laundry the last one, because before I finish, so that when I finish the laundry I get tired, I cannot do any other course rather than eating, you guys. So I'm done. Those are my hobbies and my clothes. Yeah, and then I washed my toddler's uniform, you guys. Yeah, so a weekly uniform. Yeah, so that my mornings can be easy when I'm preparing him to school. And later, guys, we had weekly shoes. You can see they were very dirty, and we had traveled to the village, so I still carried dirty shoes. And you guys, the phone went off, so I didn't shoot the part of cleaning the shoes. So they are drying there. You can see I cleaned them off camera. Okay, so hope you subscribe and you are getting motivations. It's time to clean kienyeji veggies. I bought these kienyeji veggies on Friday, and now because I'm not going out over the weekend, I'm just indoors, I got for 3 days. So it was huge. I tried removing them for 2 days, Friday and Saturday. So it's time I want to clean them, and then I'm going to steam them for our 2 to 3 days usage, you guys. Yeah, so I'm just going to use the electric cooker to steam the veggies, guys. Yeah, today is my whole day cleaning, organizing, meal prepping in this house, you guys. Yeah, when you're a mother you have to multitask, and when it comes to my home I don't get tired, you guys. I just najilazimishanga nifanye course, my home course, because I will not have anyone to come and clean it for me. So I usually just motivate myself, and I tell myself, keep going, Adija. Yeah, it's not easy, but it's because of the family love. Yeah, and they are all depending on you for cleaning, cooking, organizing till their bedtime. They are just depending on you. So thumbs up to all mothers, guys. You guys, I think I usually celebrate myself when it comes to mothers. Happy Mother's Day, because you guys, we are doing amazing jobs in our families, you guys. So I congratulate every mother without a nanny. Congratulations, my dear mothers. It's not that easy. Yeah, it's time to make some evening snack for my toddler. Today is on Saturday. We usually make chips for him, guys. Yeah, I'm not a fan of French fries. So I'm just going to make him, and then hence we are going to have a different snack. Yeah, so in that sink there, I'm preparing waru, potatoes, and then I'm just going to cut them into small sizes. And then I satisfy my son with the craving for the chips. So I'm going to make him those fries, guys. Yeah, so the cooking oil is frying there, so it's time to clean them. There were just few for him only. If there's something my small baby loves is chips, but I have done a research in Kenya. So many men loves potatoes. For me, I'm not a fan of potatoes. I don't like. Yeah, so let's deep fry them. The oil was ready. The cooking oil was ready over there. So yeah, that is how my day since morning up to this time. It's evening. It's just ending with a lot of homemaking work. Yeah, and you know what? It is what it is. You guys, I don't know if you usually sleep tired like me. Yeah, but on weekends I usually oversleep up to 9 or 10 so that I can just relax my body well, because Monday to Friday, every 6 a.m. in the morning, I'm awake to prepare my everything for the family and prepare the baby to school, you guys. Motherhood is tough, but with God, everything is possible. For me, I does it with a lot of passion because I love my family so much. So the French fries are ready, and I'm just going to serve it simply for the baby. Is around here. It's just because I never shoot that part. Is here waiting for the chips. So I'm just going to serve him, and then I'm going to add on tomato sauce, nothing else. Just as simple to satisfy his cravings, you guys. Yeah, and later, after making the chips, it's time to make dinner. And for dinner, we had got some matoke from our village. We visited our mother-in-law, so I got matoke from our home. Now I want to cook matoke with stew and greens, you guys. Here, meat stew. So that is what we are going to have for our dinner. So no more talking, just see what I did.
Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender it. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
So guys, it's around 5:40 evening and the clothes have dried up, so I just want to get them from that hanging line and then take them in the house here for waiting to be folded. So hope you have enjoyed and subscribe to this channel, yeah, and get motivated by this video. Up to this far, let's meet in the next video. Bye lovelies, I love you. Subscribe.